Soltech Business Enterprise, in partnership with Clean Ocean Project Ghana, proudly launched one of the most impactful initiatives at Cocoa Beach to mark the World Environmental Day and World Ocean Day. This effort reflects our strong commitment to environmental sustainability, climate action, and community well-being. Small everyday actions like reducing plastic use, disposing of plastic waste, and joining community cleanups can create lasting change and contribute to global goals. For the past 5 years, the Clean Ocean Ghana project has delivered remarkable results in coastal conservation. Through this partnership, we are amplifying this impact and inspiring more people to take action.